Hey, what's good? It's your boy Arti Creator, and today I'm gonna show you how to work with Occluder and make your own Instagram or Facebook filter with objects rotating around the head like that. Let's go! Okay, let's start. We need blank project. Let's go. After we adding face tracker. Let's go. To the face tracker, we add in null object or null, I don't care. Null object. Make it like that and make plane. So our plane under null object, our object under face tracker. After that, we need our patch editor. So we need to show our patch editor. Here it is. Double click, loop, animation, enter, double click, transition. Okay, link it up. And from the null object, we need our rotation. Link it. Here we're gonna make 0, 0, 3, 6, 0. After that, we go to plane and add to position Z like 0.1. Okay, it's kind of rotating around head, but too fast. We need to add to the duration 5, I guess. Okay, now it's slow. Okay, so now we need our head occluder. Oh, let's make it invisible for now. To get your head occluder, you go to help, download face assets. I will leave a link for that assets down below in the description too. Okay, download face reference assets. Okay, here's our folder, face assets. We're gonna open mesh and drop head occluder OBJ right here. Here we're gonna add face tracker. To the face tracker, we add in face mesh. To this face tracker, we're gonna add our head occluder. It's too big now, so we're gonna make it like 0.3. Just copy and paste. Okay, so now let's gonna make our face mesh and head occluder invisible. So you should open head occluder right here and delete this default material. So here you should add material. Let's call it 1. Okay, just 1. Make it flat. Okay, and just add it to our face mesh 1 and to our head occluder. You can find it right here. Okay, no materials 1. So now you can see this wide head. And after, we just go to our material and make opacity on 0. Wow, looks awesome. But for now, I will make it like 30% just in case. And after that, we're gonna make it visible, but now it's kind of not on the place. So what we should do is to make our face mesh and head occluder upper right here. Okay, so now you can see it, but something wrong. So what we need to do is to make our object behind our head. Okay, like that. You should go to null object and just make it like minus 0.2. So now it's in the middle, but it still not looks good. So what we need is to go to the plane and make it like 0.2. Okay, and I would make it like a little in that way to make it more in the middle. Okay, let's see what we have. I think it looks good. So let's make our layer invisible and let's see what we have. You can see this line, like this line is our head occluder. So if our head occluder would be too big or too small, it's not gonna be looks good. So just make it visible again like that, a little, and just keep in mind that you can make your head occluder a little bit like bigger. Let's make it invisible again. So you can see lines are bigger. Let's see what we have before. Yeah, not too much, not too big. I think it's good, but you can play with it anyway. Okay, so now we're gonna add 3D object. You can download it anywhere, but we already have our sparkar library, which is free stuff to use. Okay, what we're gonna do, just add assets from AR library. And here you can search what you want. So let's add emoji hearts. Okay, So just click on it and import free. Done. Okay, so import free, done. Just close it and we have our heart emoji. So after that, you just can drop it right here to the null object. And yes, it's not so cool as it should be, but you just need to make it smaller like that. Like, let's make it like that and just copy and paste. And after that, we need to select our heart emoji and just change the position like that. So you can change the position however you want, just I would make it like that. We're gonna delete this plane. Okay, so now we have our beautiful emoji heart rotating around our head. But if you want to add few objects, you should do this. Okay, just duplicate our null object, duplicate, duplicate, duplicate. And duplicate. So we have five objects. After that, we just need to copy and paste our transition. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5 transitions. So we need to 360 divided by 5 and it will be 72. Here would be 0, here would be 72, here would be 144. So here we're gonna make 216. And here we're gonna make 288. So the same things we need to make with these numbers too. So 360 plus 72 would be 632. Here would be 544. Here gonna be 576 and 648. After we have our numbers down, we just need to go and make our rotation. We just need to make it like that. Bam. Beautiful. That's it guys, you just create your own filter for Instagram or Facebook in sparkar Studio. If you think that information was useful for you, you can support me on Buy Me Coffee or Patreon. On Buy Me Coffee, you can donate me any amount of money you think would be fair for this information, but on Patreon, you can become my patron and have access to all files, all project files I'm using in my videos. Go and open that link in the description. So if you like that video, please smash that like button down below and subscribe to my channel because it's super important for me. Please. I hope that information was useful for you guys. It was your boy Arti Creator. Peace.